Thai peanut sauce. I always love to have this in the fridge. And here's some example of the menu it can go with. Pork or chicken satay, of course it goes perfectly together. You can even have it with spring rolls, fried tofu, or top of the salads. Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Pam in Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Now let's go step by step how to make this peanut sauce, and we're gonna start with the ingredients. Coconut milk, salt, palm sugar, red curry and Masaman curry. We are using half-half. Red curry for tiny spice and Masaman is more of the mellow type of curry. Peanuts, tamarind paste, and white vinegar. Almost done. I'm gonna have to buy a new bottle soon. And these are the raw peanuts, so we're going to roast them first. So basically we're just going to put in a pot using medium heat so it's easier to control, and we want to keep it moving until it turns brown. And now we are going to grind them. Can either use mortar and pestle or just coffee grinder, anything you have. And I am not going to make it too fine here. Love some texture. Okay, now add 400 ml of coconut milk, and we are staying on the medium heat. And now add red and Masaman curry, 25 grams each. If you love more sweet, add more Masaman. If you want a little more spicy, add a little more red curry. Simple as that. And we want to keep stirring until the curry paste melt. And we want to help it by mashing with spoon and stir time to time. Now add 4 tablespoons palm sugar. One teaspoon white vinegar. 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, and a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna stir until the palm sugar melts. Then add ground peanut. We're gonna keep stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce gets viscous. And now our peanut sauce is ready. This recipe I love having with pork or chicken satay plus cucumber relish or aja so much. It just goes perfectly together all the time. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to leave me the like button and subscribe for more recipes twice a week. Bye now for today. Thank you very much for watching. สวัสดีค่ะ